Hello, ladies and Gen X. Today we are going to do a little dive into Supertone AIR, which is an amazing plugin that is not just useful and amazing for voiceovers, but also for dialogue and other types of scenes and audio processing in general. You may ask to yourself, why would you want to synchronize the reverb with a voice track? And I asked myself that question too. Well, if you hear this track, the reverb that we have from the environment is totally uncontrolled. So there are a lot of reflections bouncing off walls and angles, and this makes the spoken voice a bit unbearable to hear. So let's say that you have a lot of dialogue in a track that you recorded for a video. You can actually make it more pleasing even with a reverb without actually taking away the reverb of the environment that you recorded the track into, which, if you ask me, is pretty awesome. Okay, so here we are again in GarageBand. You can use whatever you want with this plugin. You can even use Final Cut, which is amazing if you're just working, let's say, on the dialogue of a video of a vlog that you've shot outside. This is the audio that I'm going to use as a sample to show you what the plugin does. Hello guys, this is the track that I want to use to showcase to you the amazing features of Supertone AIR. Okay, so this is the plugin, and here we have the controls for the reflections that we want to have. So for this video, I'm just going to concentrate on the upper portion of the plugin, which is basically what captures the reverb in a certain recording and then applies it to something else. So now what we are going to do is basically capture the dry reference, and then we are going to capture the wet target, and boom, we basically have the profile for the recording. Hello guys, this is the track that I want to use to showcase to you the amazing features of Supertone AIR. So now that we have captured the dry target, we're going to go to the wet target. And what I'm going to use for this is the audio recording, the audio track that I had in the previous section of the video where I was in my living room / kitchen, and it will basically then apply the same reverb to this track that was recorded in my little pseudo home studio. Let's see how it goes. What I'm going to do is just play this little wave file, which is extracted from, again, the previous section of the video. And this is the amazing feature of Supertone AIR, that it works basically with everything because it captures even from a video. So let's say that you found a really good location or something that was narrated even in a canyon and so on, you can capture it. It doesn't matter if it's not in your DAW program for audio processing, which is truly amazing because, I mean, this stuff can work with everything, literally every program. You may ask to yourself, why would you want to synchronize the reverb with a voice track? And I asked myself that question too. Well, if you hear this track, the reverb that we have from the environment is totally uncontrolled. So as you can see, is already creating a profile, which is amazing. And now we are going to see what we have. I mean, we have this whole profile right here that we can use for the other recording in here, which is truly crazy if you ask me. So let's play this recording now.
Hello guys, this is the track that I want to use to showcase to you the amazing features of Supertone AIR.
Now this profile was a bit too strong, so we can actually play with the parameters and just lower it up a little so it doesn't affect too much the voice. Also, we can, play with the dry and wet signal. So again, we can have just as much reverb as we want. Now, this is probably going to be good. Hello guys, this is the track that I want to use to showcase to you the amazing features of Supertone AIR. And as you can see, it applied the reverb from the other room, from the living room, just like that. Again, thank you so much for watching. I hope this video was helpful. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you can. All the help is really appreciated. And you might hear that there's a strange reverb now. That's because I decided to put a Cathedral reverb on this recording. Because why not? Now I can with Supertone AIR.